Hello everyone, I'm Michael, a sales operations data analyst. Today, I'm proud to introduce IntelSync Market Intelligence, my entry for the Agent Development Kit Hackathon with Google Cloud. In this short demo, I'll show how IntelSync harnesses multiple AI agents to streamline market analysis, from data gathering to actionable insights. Market intelligence is essential, but traditional research methods are manual, fragmented, and slow. Teams spend significant time finding and processing data scattered across websites and databases. IntelSync solves this problem by automating the full research cycle, efficiently gathering, analyzing, and summarizing critical market insights using orchestrated autonomous agents. Let's quickly explore the architecture. IntelSync leverages Google's Agent Development Kit to orchestrate three specialized agents. First, a web scraper agent gathers fresh web content. Second, the BigQuery loader agent securely stores this data at scale in Google BigQuery. And finally, the Insight Generator agent uses Google Cloud's natural language API for powerful sentiment analysis and entity extraction. All this integrates into an intuitive dashboard built with Streamlit. Here's the IntelSync pipeline in action. In Python, a single command initiates web scraping, data loading, and insight generation. As seen in these real-time logs, articles are scraped, securely stored in BigQuery, and then analyzed, all within seconds. IntelSync produces rapid and reliable results, saving teams hours of manual labor. Now, let's look at the live dashboard. IntelSync provides a clear interface where users can quickly filter data by source, preview recently scraped articles, and export datasets to CSV for further analysis. The interactive sentiment visualization helps users easily spot trends and gauge market sentiment instantly. Additionally, IntelSync automatically identifies key entities within your data, highlighting critical topics and mentions to focus your analysis. To top it off, the Executive Insights panel presents an AI-generated market summary, ensuring actionable intelligence is always just one click away. In summary, IntelSync demonstrates the power of a fully orchestrated ADK managed pipeline, integrated seamlessly with scalable Google Cloud Analytics tools. It delivers rapid insights and an export-ready dashboard experience. Looking ahead, I hope to deploy IntelSync on Streamlit and Cloud Run and actively contribute the enhancements to the open source repository. Thank you very much for checking out IntelSync, and this is for the ADK Hackathon.